My name is Michelle Chen. I am the computer science and robotics teacher at Seaside High School. This is the STEAM robotics camp for the summer. We are here for 3 weeks. The kids get to learn how to do robotics building with Legos, and then the drone flying, which you see now, and then the last week will be CAD with 3D printing. This is my first year doing the Summer Academy. I have been teaching for 5 years here at Seaside High. We have high school as well as upper middle school students here. It's been great. The kids are a lot of fun and I think they're enjoying their time here.
My name is Izzy Donna Catalig. I am an upcoming senior here at Seaside High. My experience so far, really great. I got to learn how to make like robots last week. This week we're flying drones, which is kind of crazy. We made this entire course. I've been having a lot of fun, made some new friends. The instructors here, great, they're great. Lots of good vibes, lots of fun.